Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Informatica, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Informatica, first, open your preferred web browser. Type the URL for your Informatica server into the address bar. Press the Enter key to load the Informatica login page. On the login page, you will see fields for entering your credentials. In the first field, enter your username. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. After entering your password, review your information for accuracy. If your organization uses a domain, make sure to select it from the drop-down menu. Once all information is correctly entered, click on the Login button. Wait for the system to process your login request. If your credentials are valid, you will be redirected to your Informatica workspace. In case of an incorrect login, a notification will appear on the screen. Ensure that you follow the password reset procedures if you are unable to log in. If you encounter technical issues, check your internet connection. You may also want to clear your browser's cache and cookies as a troubleshooting step. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and features. You are now ready to begin using Informatica for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.